Alright, man, I got my 3DS, as you see right here, like, you got the charger, and I got games. You see right here, I got Adventure Time for the Nintendo DS. You see that? That's pretty cool. Oh, I also have a stylus. Like right here, you see? Good stylus. I also have one, like, in the system. Just, yeah, see? I also got one in here. Got one like that. So, yeah. Yeah. No. Also, did I mention that I also have, like, 3DS? We got, like, a 3DS game in here. That's crazy. Look, let's see what it is. Yeah, no way, Mario and Luigi. Let's pwn this. Let's epically pwn this. Oh gosh. That's my bad. Didn't mean to do that to the camera. I'm just gonna mess up Fly Guy real quick. He would have died if I didn't completely fumble Mario. Oh my god. How am I? Okay, let's kill Fly Guy. That's not hard. See, he's dead. He's dead. Alright, let's see. Can I get it? Oh, frick. Frick. Alright, let's see. Can I kill this Goomba? I swear to God. I start freaking cry. Oh, okay, whatever, doesn't matter. Right, there you go. Yeah, I won the battle. That's my 3DS. That's my 3DS. Thanks for watching. Yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, guys. See, this is my 3DS. Thanks.